Hello everybody, today we're going to be making pasta in yogurt. I guess that's a translation. But it is also known as Lazy Shushbarak because it tastes very similar to Shushbarak, which you can check out in the video in the upper right hand corner, which that recipe takes a very long time, making all of the little hats of dough. Except in this case, it's lazy because we're going to skip all of that and just get straight to the flavors. So to start off, we're going to chop up a small onion, 2 of them. Actually, no, it's just 1 cut in half, sorry. And then you're going to put some ghee in a pan. And I don't know if you guys have noticed already, but we always either use ghee or butter or olive oil or avocado oil. That's it. We don't use any hydrogenated oils. Those are very bad. And because we're using oil so much, we might as well make sure that that is good. And then you're going to go ahead and put in 1 pound of ground beef. Once that has browned up a little bit, we're going to add a little bit of salt as well as some pepper. Seven spices seasoning. And that's it. Go ahead and mix it up. In a separate pot, with boiling hot water, we're going to add some salt, let that dissolve, and then you're going to throw in your pasta of choice. We used the shell shape in this case because it looks similar to Shushbarak and we wanted to really lean into the laziness, if you guys know what I mean. And then we're going to smush up 10 garlic cloves to make tlaye in Lebanese, which is the sauce for our Lazy Shushbarak. And as my mom was using this, I don't know what it's called actually, but this garlic musher, she broke it and she was about to throw it out, but then my dad was like, no, we can solve it. So this is him fixing it in real time. Oh, it looks like he should have been the engineer in the family. And then, now that that's fixed, she can continue to mush up the rest of the garlic. And then after that's done, we're also going to chop up some cilantro. It's always a guess on whether it's cilantro or parsley for me because I cannot tell the difference between what they look like. And then once that is done, place your ghee in a pan. Once more, add your garlic. Add your cilantro. And we're going to let that cook for a little bit. On the side, to continue the rest of the sauce, we're going to get some yogurt and push it through a strainer because we do not want any clumps at all. We want this to be a very creamy sauce. And then you're going to add 2 cups of cold water. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to give it some thickness. Then we're going to add salt. And then mix it. Then we're going to use a hand blender to combine it even more. Once again, no lumps allowed. And then we're going to put that on the heat Make sure to stir it continuously so that the milk doesn't burn. And then you're gonna go ahead and add in your meat. And finally the pasta. And that's all of the parts of this recipe assembled. Oh, except for the garlic and cilantro. Almost forgot about that. Once that has cooked for a little bit, you can go ahead and assemble it all nice. Add the remainder of the meat and some nuts, pine nuts and almond nuts. And then sprinkle some cilantro on there as well. And it's ready to serve and it looks great. That's it. Happy lazy shushbaraking. Bye!